Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Shift4Shop, 3dcart, platform review my dropshipping journey with them. Shift4Shop, 3dcart is an e-commerce platform designed to help businesses, particularly those interested in dropshipping, build and manage online stores. It targets entrepreneurs of all sizes, from startups to established businesses, and offers features like website building tools, inventory management, marketing integrations, and payment processing. Their website provides details about various pricing plans and features. Shift4Shop emphasizes its no hidden fees approach and offers a variety of tools aimed at simplifying the often complex process of running an online store, particularly for dropshipping. They highlight their robust features, SEO tools, and 24/7 support. You can visit their site to learn more about specific pricing and check out their demos. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Shift4Shop for my dropshipping journey. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. The initial setup process walked me through the essential steps, like choosing a template, connecting my domain, and setting up payment gateways. The interface, while packed with features, was relatively intuitive. I was able to quickly grasp how to add products, manage inventory, and customize the look of my store. One feature I really appreciated was the built-in dropshipping integrations. Connecting to suppliers was a breeze, and the automated inventory updates saved me a ton of time. I also experimented with their marketing tools, particularly the email marketing features, and found them quite effective. Performance-wise, the site speed was decent, and I haven't experienced any significant downtime during my testing period. I did have a quick question about setting up a specific shipping rule, and their support team responded within a few hours via email with a helpful and detailed answer. A standout feature for me was definitely the robust reporting dashboard. It provided valuable insights into sales trends, customer behavior, and product performance, which helped me make informed decisions about my store. One minor drawback I noticed was the learning curve associated with some of the more advanced features, like custom coding and API integrations. It took me a little while to get the hang of those. Also, the mobile app, while functional, could use some improvements in terms of design and user-friendliness. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience using Shift4Shop for dropshipping. While it has a few minor quirks, it offers a comprehensive suite of features at a competitive price point, and I'd recommend it to anyone looking for a solid platform to launch and grow their online business. That's my overview of Shift4Shop, 3dcart, platform review my dropshipping journey with them. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.